This line is used for the production of inner caps of FPC solar water heaters. It can perform the entire process from loading with suction cups, automatic oiling, draw forming, trimming and unloading. It accommodates material thicknesses of 2 to 2.5 millimeters, and the diameter can be customized according to customer requirements. The line includes a dual-station lifting material platform, raw material feeding robotic unit, post-forming feeding robotic unit, material pushing and stacking robotic unit, as well as pneumatic and electrical control systems.